Imagine you're drowning in a sea of tasks. Bills to pay, projects to manage, errands to run. It's overwhelming, isn't it? Have you ever wished there was a digital whiteboard where you could jot down ideas, organize projects, and collaborate with others seamlessly? Transition. Well, that's where Trello comes in. What is Trello? Trello is a highly visual, flexible project management tool that helps you organize your work, collaborate with teams, and stay on top of your tasks. Think of it as a digital bulletin board where you can create cards, like sticky notes, to represent tasks, projects, or ideas. These cards can be organized into lists, like columns, to represent different stages of your workflow. Key features of Trello. Boards. Create multiple boards to organize different aspects of your life or work. For example, you could have boards for personal projects, work tasks, or even grocery lists. Lists. Within each board, create lists to categorize your tasks. For instance, you might have lists like to do, in progress, and done. Cards. Use cards to represent individual tasks or projects. Each card can contain details like due dates, labels, attachments, and comments. Labels. Add labels to cards to color code and categorize them. This can help you visually organize your tasks and prioritize them. Attachments. Attach files, images, or documents directly to cards for easy reference. Comments. Collaborate with others by adding comments to cards. This is a great way to discuss tasks, provide feedback, or ask questions. Due dates. Set due dates for your tasks to stay on top of deadlines. Trello will automatically update the card's color to indicate its urgency. Power UPS. Enhance Trello's functionality with Power UPS, which are additional features that can be added to your boards. Some popular Power UPS include voting, calendar, and timers. How Trello can benefit you. Organization. Trello's visual interface makes it easy to organize your tasks and projects, helping you stay focused and productive. Collaboration. Collaborate with team members or colleagues on shared projects by adding comments, assigning tasks, and sharing attachments. Time management. Use Trello to set deadlines, prioritize tasks, and track your progress, ensuring that you stay on top of your workload. Productivity. Trello's flexibility allows you to customize your workflow to fit your unique needs, helping you increase your productivity and efficiency. Real-world examples. Project management. Trello is widely used by teams of all sizes to manage projects, from software development to marketing campaigns. Personal organization. Individuals use Trello to organize their daily tasks, plan events, and manage their personal lives. Team collaboration. Trello is a great tool for remote teams to collaborate on projects and stay connected. Tips for using Trello effectively. Start small. Begin by creating a few simple boards to get familiar with the tool. Experiment with different layouts. Try different list and card arrangements to find what works best for you. Utilize Power UPS. Explore Power UPS to enhance Trello's functionality and tailor it to your specific needs. Use labels effectively. Color code your cards with labels to visually organize and prioritize your tasks. Trello is a versatile and powerful tool that can help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and achieve your goals. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply looking for a way to manage your personal life, Trello can be a valuable asset. Ready to give Trello a try? Sign up for a free account today and start organizing your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.